Now we shall see the voice, change of voice from active to passive of models and imperatives. Models you have been told in the verb chapter. Models are may, might, shall, should, will, would, must, ought to, need, dare, used to. These 13 are called models. If the structure of the active voice is like this: subject plus model plus first form of the verb, that is B1, plus object. Let us follow the previous example. I, subject, can, model. Here you can use may, might, shall, should, will, would, must, ought to, etc. Okay. I, subject, can, model, teach, B1 or first form of the verb, voice is object. The rule we have to follow the same. Subject of the object of the active voice is made subject, then we use the model, then we use be, then we use verb third or past participle followed by plus object, which is the subject of active voice. Thus, I can teach voice will change as voice can be taught by me. Rules, 5 rules you have to follow. Okay, voice can be taught by me. Models you must remember are 30. Now we come to imperative sentences. The characteristic or feature of imperative sentences is that they start with first form of the verb. First form of the verb, they may have object or not. But as we know, for changing into passive voice, we need an object. First form of the verb plus object. Example, learn, first form of the verb, voice, object. Here, you, second person, you is understood. Means you learn voice. It is hidden. It is not written. Okay? First form of the verb plus object is active voice in imperative sentence, and we change it in 3 ways. The first thing, you are, third form of the verb. Third form of the verb will depend on the verb of the first form of the verb of the active voice. Here, learn voice, it is something like advice. We can say you are advised to learn voice. This is the first way. It can also be changed in 2 more ways. We shall discuss. Now let us see it again. You are V3. V3 means past participle. Past participle we have to choose among request, advice, order, direct, etc. As is the active voice. Here, learn voice, it seems that someone is, the teacher is advising you. Therefore, you are advised to learn voice. You are past participle plus 2 plus active voice. Active voice means this one. V1 an object. I have written here to learn voice. Learn voice. To I have put here to learn voice. This is active voice. Second type we can make the structure of passive voice will be let object be past participle. We can use by or object, which is the subject. Sometimes it's written, sometimes it's not written. Okay, let object plus be plus past participle. Maybe it may be or it may not be. Sometimes it is and sometimes it is not. By plus object. In this way, the sentence learn was let. Okay, let was object comes here, was be learned, maybe by you or not. Is it okay? Let object is was, therefore I have written was. In structure we have be, I have put it here be. Past participle of learn is learned. Let was be learned. Okay. The third form or the third type is also in this way. Object means the object of active voice is made subject of passive voice. Should is written, then be is written, then past participle, and in the same way by object may be written, by object may be not written. Sometimes it is written, sometimes it is not written. Thus what shall I have or we have? Was object, voice has become subject, should has been written, be has been written here, and past participle of learn is learned written here, and by you can be written because you is understood, was should be learned. In this way we have completed the passive voice or active passive voice. Regarding quasi passive, you have been told that the structure looks like active voice but the meaning is passive. Now there are some sentences which are called miscellaneous. We shall see it later. But you must remember one thing. Unless you have mastered over tense, the structure of all the types of tenses, means 1 to 12, from indefinite to perfect continuous, indefinite of present past future, continuous of present past future, perfect of present past future, perfect continuous of present past future. You cannot have passive voice, or you cannot change, you cannot learn, you cannot do properly from active to passive. Therefore you are advised to learn with understanding the structure of tense. Only then you will be able to do passive voice. Thank you.